Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I continue in my capacity as a physical therapist, and it's going to be a continuation of the previous post. So if you've not watched that video, I'll drop the link down in the description below so that you know where this is coming from and where we are going with it. Alright, so in the previous video, I spoke about ergonomics, and I made mention of the fact that it is specific to the kind of work the person is involved in. There are different aspects of ergonomics, and what I've noticed in our time is that a lot of us are always on our phone. Smartphone revolution has been a blessing. With our phone, we can do a lot of things. And so it's a blessing. Bad can be a curse if you do not know how to use it. And I do realize that some of these information people have to pay for consultation to be told, but I'm making it available here for you, which when you adhere to can prevent simple things like cervical spondylosis, which is a condition of the vertebrae in the neck. All right, so let's get right into it. So this is a mobile phone. This is my mobile phone, and we need to know, before I continue, we need to establish the fact that based on the fact that we have screen time recording on some mobile phones, people are able to track how much time they spend on the phone. And some people spend up to about 10 hours on the phone daily. And so just imagine using the phone wrongly for 10 hours every day of your life. That is definitely going to result in some problems for you in future. So it is important that we know how to correctly handle the phone to prevent future problems for us that might land us in a physiotherapy consulting room or treatment center. All right, so as I've said in my previous video, as far as the spine is concerned, we are looking at alignment, and the spine being in neutral, that is in its right alignment. And so for the phone, I see a lot of people do this. And while this can be a very comfortable posture, and sometimes I myself forget myself and use the phone like that, it can be detrimental. What we want to do is to keep the spine in neutral once again. And so if we want to do that, then we are looking at using the phone on the eye level so that our head or our necks is not bent too much, because when this happens, then you'd realize that you'd bend the upper back spine as well. And so sooner or later, you'd have neck pain and you have upper back pain. And in recent time, you'd realize that some people even start having the hunch position because they are always like that. Okay, but what is the right thing to do is to keep it eye level. You can rest your hand on the disc, and that keeps the spine straight. Or if you don't have something to rest it on, it's always supposed to be at eye level so that it prevents you from having to do that. So we are saying no to this, and we are saying yes to that. And if because of that, and this is not extremely comfortable, it's not the most comfortable position, that would also prevent you from using the phone so much, and reduce your screen time. And so this is the right way to go about it, right? Yes, so that ends today's video. I hope this was educative. Let me know some of your experiences with bad phone usage postures, and let me also know how this information has inspired you to use your phone well. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.